ever since precision tools were deployed on industrial production lines. Final torque and angle values within the monitoring window, associated with an OK result, were considered as solid proof of quality. At the same time, product recalls reached a climax in 2024, with nearly 33 million vehicles recalled in the US alone. Hidden quality defects can be hidden behind an OK result. When it comes to ensuring perfect quality, the way to get to the final torque and angle targets matters just as much as the target itself. While there is only one torque and angle window that will deliver an OK result, there is an infinity of ways to reach this window. DeMeter Curve Analytics analyzes your data history to recognize the various possible joint behaviors. Each new tightening curve is then classified in real time and grouped with other curves representing a similar behavior. Because you know your process and your product better than anyone else, Curve Analytics lets you decide whether each detected behavior should be considered normal or abnormal. Whenever a curve shows a behavior either known to be abnormal or that was never observed before, smart notifications can be sent in real time to the people of your choice to alert of a potential threat to quality. Curve Analytics provides you with the unique capability of detecting the invisible. Missing parts, cross-thread, machining issues. DeMeter Curve Analytics opens a new era in your quest for uncompromising quality.